Hello smart viewers, welcome to this channel again, DET Practical English Teaching. Well, this time I'd like to tell you a short story related to the use of simple present tense, especially how to use to be and to do. After the story, I'm going to ask you some questions about it. Please listen to me carefully. It is Saturday morning. It is exactly 7:30. Mary works on Saturdays. Tom doesn't. Come on, Mary, get up. It is 7:30. Tom says. Oh, I don't want to get up today. I don't want to work. I want to sleep, Mary replies. Now, the question. Is it Saturday morning? What time is it now? Does Mary work on Saturdays? What about Tom? Does he work or not? What does Tom say to Mary? And what does Mary reply? Well, I hope this video is useful for you. If you like it, you should subscribe, give comment and share. Thanks a lot for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.